Tuesday. Cheers. All right. So good. John Garcia, singer from Calles, Hermano. This is Space Vato, an instrumental to start the album out, and then. Alright. Cheers, VC. Right. So. So good. Amazing opens with this instrumental. Alright. Cheers, everyone. Alright, so of course you know I started out the blues. And I got a massive ECLT yesterday, and of course it started with some R.L. Burnside. Too Bad Jim. This album kicks ass, I love it. Thank you, Kevin. Kevin, man. He myself and my vinyl. Gave me a few records. Really good stuff. And this one too. Oh man, check this song out. But this album is really good blues. Yeah. Jim's Whiskers. Junior Kim brought this amazing blues. Great. Thank you, Kevin. Cheers, VC. Yeah. And then, this is amazing. Kevin, man. Killer sounding. Great. Thank you. And then I heard some of this. This is a great record. Now this group, man. John Garcia. Cheers. Appropriately happy. Great record, man, so good. Minutemen are killer. Killer punk. Yeah, cheers. Oh. And all right, everyone. Next up. Yeah. I should never remote control, man. Kick ass. Man. I like Thor, but this is another level, man. It's so good. So killer. And he has all guest stars all through it. Cassidy Clark, Henry Rollins, Brian Forsyth from Kicks, AJ Prince. This album is so killer. It's like Thor, but more modern. It's really good. Love it. John Garcia, man. Yeah. Cheers. Nice record I listen to. Badass. Yeah, the Cactus, man. This album, it's like progressive, hard rock, really good stuff. Great. Cactus is really good. Yep. And then, thank you, Drew. Been listening the hell out of this, man. So killer. Black Country Convenient. Amazing super group. Love it. Been in it. So good. Look at the labels. Amazing. Amazing record. Alright. John Garcia, man. Check him out. Alright, cheers. Be free. So killer. As is this. Man. It's heavy pop rock. It's not like metal, but it's really good. Wow. I went through a little phase today. I was hearing all this pop rock stuff. It's really good. Man, this is heavy though. It's good. Come on. Face Off Cowboy. This album kicks ass. You like Loverboy, Cars, anything like that? Really good. A little heavier though. Pretty good. Speaking of that, some great Ken. This album is so good. Man. Great Ken. This is Open Fire from YNT. Man, this is a good one too. Great live record, man. They're so good. Paul what's his name? Dave Manichetti. So killer. The guitarist, singer. Summertime Girls on this. That's a good song. That's great. Kick-ass album. Yeah, and this album kicked my ass today. Wow. It's like black metal, thrash, speed metal. It's got almost like some operatic kind of stuff in it. It's crazy. This album is kick-ass. Like some classical music mixed in. Wow. Great, great early, or late 90s, great late 80s metal. One of the first black metal albums. It's so good. Wow. Kick my ass. I love it. I was listening to it like so good. Yeah. Deliverance. Killer. And then, dude, Kevin, this is the best album of 2021. Thanks, man. Amazing. I love it. This album kicks my ass. I always like them. This is the best thing they've done. It's really good. Great stuff. Wow. I'd show the center, but I won't. But thanks, man. Kevin, that's my favorite album of 2021. Thanks, man. And rock on. Everyone take a drink. Cheers. Right. That song's so good. This is John Garcia, man. There we go. It's gonna be a good one. John Garcia. Alright. What's up next? Woo! Jammer of the Clutch. Holy crap, this is good. Man. This album could be an introduction to Clutch, and it'd be great. It's amazing. Who Wants to Rock? One Eye Dollar, man. The Drifter, man. So good. And it's pretty cool vinyl too. After that, Sons of Caius. Oh yeah. Killer. This is the very earliest Caius. And Caius is the singer here, John Garcia, Josh Homme, Brant Bjork, and Nick Oliveri. So good. They were, man. And then, you know what? My dad came over. George, man, this album's so good. Parish Hall, so killer. My dad loved it too. Really good rockin', hard rock and psychedelic greatness. Thank you, George. George Allen. And Sap, man. Listen to Sap, so killer. Love it. Yeah, man. That's my favorite acoustic album of all time. I love it, and cheers everyone for Sap. And then I played this for my dad for the first time. He loved it. So good. ZZ Top's first record, it's first album. It's a all-time classic here. No one knows about it. It's really good. It's a great bluesy rock and metal, not metal, bluesy rock and album. It's just great. Every song is good. Wow. And then, you know, some of the Escher demos, Beatles, White Album, acoustic, so good. Everyone? Yeah. Alright, yeah, this is great. It's like hearing a whole new Beatle record. Acoustic's so good. Oh yeah, some Twisted Sister. So good. All right, rock on, everyone. Cheers, BC. All right. So good. So we're up next. Gotta play this sucker. So good. Love this album. Man. I'm listening to this next. I haven't heard this for a while. Love this record. And in this one, my favorite sax, and I love this record. This just get you going, man. Power and the Glory. So killer. Man. Every song. That's my next two I'm playing. And then I can listen to this finally. Ride the Lightning, man. Escape. Creeping Death. Oh my god. From the Billboard. This favorite song. My favorite Metallica album. Always has been. Shake it up, man. Some sounds of white noise. Oh yeah. And everyone, rock on. I love everyone. PC, you rule.